there, this is Joanna Choluj, and I wanted to tell you here in this video about my book. This book, which is not published yet, it will be published on Amazon the end of 2020. But I want to tell you in advance what it is about. It's a kind of autobiography, but it's specific. All right, so it's the subtitle even is, well, the title is "I was born in heaven." I was born in heaven, and the subtitle is autobiography analytique, because what it is I'm not really telling all the details of my life just like that in a story. I will do it in another because it's interesting. My life was really crazy. It is still, but in this book I'm showing what people very often don't know. I notice that people get a little crazy and confused when they find a tool, something like MBTI, in English, MBTI, psychological tests, or they go to tarot, or they go to astrology, and there's tropical, and then there's sidereal, and there are other tools like shamanism, and everybody is getting crazy with that. And people often say that I don't understand, like I'm a tiger in Chinese, a zodiac, and here I'm some kind of Virgo, it has nothing in common, and so on. So in this book, this is my attempt to explain all that, because in each chapter I focus on another tool, be it academic or esoterical, or esoterical, and pardon my English, I'm getting better. I'm making more videos in Polish, French, and English. So if you are not really, if you don't like it, go to French or Polish. What I was saying, yeah, in each chapter I'm focusing on something else. Like I'm taking, for example, tarot, or I'm taking tropical astrology, and I'm talking about myself, because I know myself the best, right? And I've got the right to talk about myself and publish it. And I could go in depth with that. So I'm talking about myself, and I'm analyzing. I've got lots of analysis. I did it myself. I went to somebody to do it really in deep professionally. So I've got the essence, right? For example, in Chinese, I'm tiger. In Vedic astrology, I'm what was a bird just above my head, close. And Vedic astrology, it depends. I'm ascendant is lion, but the nakshatra is Purva Falguni. But then they've got some other spread, and it changes a little. All right, so we can get confused. But I'm just telling you all this, taking the details, and telling you what is the most important, what to look at. You can go and do your spread yourself, right? You can go online, free of charge, and do it, right? Just like I did it, and then I put it. That's analysis, right? But then at the end of each chapter, I tell you, right? But look, let's join the dots. All right. Let's see that the tiger is a little similar with lion. Why? I tell you why in this book, right? This kind of Virgo, you've got those correspondences, like for example the tarot card, where you've got what's the English name? All right, I was just going to say that when you got tarot cards, they also are attached to some kind of planets, right, and some kind of zodiac signs, but not everybody knows it. Anyway, even if it's not directly attached, even if it's attached to some kind of element, it can be also attached to another. Do you understand? We have to join the dots, but let's not complicate it too much. In this book, really in simple words, I'm telling you, like, if you did your analysis and you've got your numerology number, right, or a few numbers, because normally it's not like one number only, and if you've got astrology and some results, then I just tell you how to put it all together in a big patchwork. And I'm just telling you, that's all puzzles. People just getting very much separated right now, and it's also good, right? It's good to be specialized because you can go in deep, and that's what astrologers do, or numerologists do. But I'm not the one, all right? I'm a person who is just I'm all about holistic approach, and I do it in everything, in my consultations, when I teach children. I'm homeschooling my children, right? And I'm also a teacher of languages. When I'm writing my the Polish grammar, which I did, it's all holistic. I'm looking from different angles, and then I tell you what's the synthesis, what's the how to see it synthetically. That's what I do here, all right? And I'm telling you, all this makes sense. If you are this number in numerology, and if you have a zodiac sign like that, moon, sun, all right, let's look at it. I'm looking at this closely. It makes sense. It will give you your personality, like a full circle of your personality, all right? It will just give you more information, but everything is connected. It makes sense. I'm just telling you, it makes sense. With this book, you can learn how to do it for yourself, simply. You can do it for yourself. But if you need help, you can also come to me. I'm doing consultations. Like, you can come for 40 minutes, we can talk, and I can help you with that. I can help you, join the dots. Like, what are your spreads? How to use the tools? And I'm also doing the big analysis for people who just want to solve one problem in their life, or want to know, like, what's my goal? I'm stuck. I'm 35, and I don't know what to do next. I'm hating my job and so on. So, okay, check my channel, JC Lady Alternative Education. Subscribe so you will have all the info, all the update. And come to my Facebook. That's the name, Facebook, like Joanna Choluj. And I'm writing in different languages, but it's translating too. And it's my author page, like JC Lady Alternative Education Facebook. Yeah, so really, come. You'll be welcomed. It's new, it's different. What I'm doing, nobody does. Also, when I'm doing my consultations or a series of videos online on YouTube, it's different because I'm doing holistically. All right, I'm doing tarot. I'm telling you what are the energies for 2 weeks, let's say, of some period. Okay, but I'm telling you also what is the nakshatra for it, what is the zodiac sign, how all this connects, the element, the number, and all this, and I'm telling you how to use it for yourself. I guess that's it. I'm talking 8 minutes, so I guess that's it. This book will be available the end of 2020 in Polish, English, and French on Amazon. If you are living not in America, for example, you can just buy an ebook. It will be available, and there are pictures, because all my books I want it to be simple and illustrated, so that it comes also with a free of charge board game. And cards, yeah. But yeah, here you've got pictures, and I think everything is clear. Whatever is not clear, come to me. Okay, take care. Bye-bye, Joanna. And I will tell you what I'm telling in Polish. Okay, I have to translate. Believe in yourself and keep your fire, internal fire, burning. Bye-bye, Joanna.